Welcome to our EL software tutorial series. Today, I will show you how to use a test cell that is not equipped with a PAT button. The PAT button is a chip located in the cell base of most PAT series test cells. When inserted into a PAT tester, it transmits information to the EL software. The software then recognizes the cell tag and type and automatically assigns it to the correct test channel. The cell is also automatically registered in the EL software database to record historical data, such as the performed measurements or the composition of the contained cell stack. Therefore, it is a handy feature that saves you work. However, there are cases in which we want to use a battery test cell without a PAT button. Let's examine such a case and see how we can handle it. For this example, we have inserted an older PAT cell without PAT button into our tester. In the tree view navigation, we can see a battery symbol next to the test channel. This means that a cell has been inserted. However, the EL software does not know which cell it is. We can now add this information so that the cell can be used. First, we have to create the cell in the database. To do this, select the Test Cells section in the Tree View navigation and then click on Create in the menu bar. Now enter the cell tag of your PAT cell. If the cell does not have a tag, enter a different name under which you would like to save the cell in the system. In this case, it is a PAT cell with the tag A2034, which I enter here. The cell is now available in the system and can be used in a new experiment. However, you still have to manually assign the cell to the test channel in which it is located. To do that, click on Select Channel. You will only be offered channels where cells without a PAT button have been recognized. Click on the icon next to the pull-down to confirm your selection. After the assignment, the cell tag appears in the corresponding channel in the Tree View navigation. It is now fully set up, and you can continue to define and start the experiment as usual. Thanks for watching. See you next time.